it's nice to see you too. What are you talking
You knew
about?
my boyfriend was gonna be here, so why are you dressed like that?
Because we're going to a fancy restaurant. I obviously wanted to look nice.
No, you just can't get a man on your own, so you're trying to take somebody else's. You're desperate, sweetie.
Girl, I wouldn't want your man even if he was the last person on
Then why are you
earth.
wearing so much makeup? Because you're trying to seduce my boyfriend?
Literally everybody here is dressed up and wearing makeup. We're going to a nice restaurant.
Yeah, okay, by the way, Josh thinks you're ugly, so he'd never be attracted to you.
Thank God. That's the best news I've heard all
Yeah,
day.
no matter how short your dress is, he still wouldn't want you, so don't even think about it.